Okay, welcome back. The paint has arrived, it's been shaken, and now I'm off. This is white primer. The most important thing when you're painting is to make sure you know where it's going to hang when you've finished it. In this case, where it's going to hang while you're doing it. The handle and the tote were both plastic. I've sanded the factory paint off. It wasn't very good what was left, and I'm now just giving it short sprays of this white primer. It's really good stuff. It dries in about 20 minutes, but I've tried to leave it for an hour in between each coat. It's supposed to be hard dry in 24 hours. Now you can take it off the hangers and switch it round. Everything for the first coat needs to be white, obviously, and I'll give it 2 coats of this. And then we shall leave it overnight, come back and start putting the colours on. Of course, one of the most important things when you're spray painting like this is the masking. If you look at that plain bed there, you can see, well, you can't see now because it's all white, but I've masked up the sides and anything that I don't want to be green. This is a sage green gloss I'm using just for the bed, and then for the handles, the knob and the tote, I'm using lavender. Now this is a satin finish, and I don't really want a satin finish, I want gloss, but this was the best I could do, so I'll varnish it once I've finished. Now it's an interesting thing, the distinction between lilac and lavender. They're very close in colour. This was actually marketed as lilac, but it's the exact shade of lavender that I wanted, so I bought it.